Hello, everyone. This is my review of the Elmer's uh, glue glow in the dark slime kit. This is a pretty good kit to play with your kids. Um, it comes with four solutions, two glue bottles, and two magic solution that you have to mix together. You can see here in the box, you have to pour one in the bowl, pour the other one in the bowl, and mix it together to make the glue so it can turn into slime. These are the glue bottles that glow in the dark. I'm show you that soon. Turn off the lights and you can see them glowing. I don't have the other mixing that you mix it together because we ran out of that from using it. But let me turn off the lights and show you them glowing in the dark. And here we go. As you can see, they glow in the dark pretty well. But when you mix them together with I make the slime, make it like kind of like a putty. It glows in the dark real nice, and kids like it. So I highly recommend this kit, and I hope that this review helps.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever